This is a 24 inches brown Betmark 5x5 bouncy wig. So I am installing this hair right now. So let's install this hair together. It's a 5x5. I have this elastic band here, and it is very lush, very lush. Let's lay back these edges. We don't want it standing one. We want it laying very flat backward. So let's do that. Recap. Hair pre-plucked already, so I don't need to do the plucking. I don't know if you can see, it is pre-plucked already, so I'm just going to install it right away. First thing first, I'm taking out this comb. Guys, just make sure you take out this thing. It is very risky. I mean, you can just pull your hair anytime when you're trying to remove it. So I'm taking it out right now. We don't need that. Oh my goodness, this hair is fire. This hair is stop. My goodness. Woo, what a beauty. Wow. Yeah, I think just pray to lay it down. Nothing too serious. Another layer. So just follow it very in. So I get tacky. So check if it's tacky already. When it gets tacky, then it's the right time to lay it flat. And that's just it, simple as ABC. So you press this down. So this is amazing next, just to secure. Oh my goodness, this hair. Don't do that. So while that is there, then you can go ahead to start styling your hair. So let's do the styling. I'm doing center parting, so I'm just going to divide the cut very well. Perfect. So let's get our wax stick. Then you get your pot comb and lay it flat. Then you take this front to the back this way. You do that to the other side as well, this way. Ah, let's get the band off. So we're just going to cut off the excess lace. So we're gonna melt this. So get yourself your powder or foundation of your color, and this is what you're going to do. Just tap it in. So when that is done, we are going next to making it invisible. How do we do that? Get your spray, tap it somewhere, then you take your hand, then you this way, and that's it. You will see the line disappearing itself. The hash line will start fading, will start disappearing. So what we are going to do next is put our powder or foundation at this middle. So I'm just going to take this long tape comb and put it on the powder. If it's foundation you're using, put it on the foundation, and you just go straight this way. Can you see that? Look at that sharp line. Look at that. Look at that sharp line. That is what we want. Then we just go ahead to lay this more flat, and we are done with the hair. So let's define our coils. So I don't want to rough the one bed, so I'm just going to do something like this. Oh my goodness! What? Oh my goodness! Wow! Hey! Let's do this one like that too. Oh, Beyonce. Call me Beyonce. Call me Beyonce. Oh my goodness. Wow, I love these. Oh shit. I think this is more fuller than this. Let me make this fuller. Should I make it 2 or 1? Let's make it 1.